Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. I had a run-in with a car door and fractured my elbow, so I had to take some time off for that. Anyway, I got a donation here, or I wouldn't say it's a donation, it was left outside for dead. It's a BODO smart brushless controller. The specs on it are: it's a 72 volt, current is 33 amp, phase angle 120, under voltage is 63.5 volts. Brake level is H, function anti-theft and 3-speed and EBIKes. Yes, it also has cruise control. This was assembled in 2015-06. So I figured I'd test it, see if it actually works, and then fix up some of the wiring. Looks like they've cut the hall wires off. A bunch of these wires are all bare and touching together. No idea what they are. The negative wire is melted and chewed up pretty good. And it looks like they put a positive wire connected to it. So I wanted to show you the inside, what a 2015 looks like. They're building them better as they go along. You can see they got 100 volt caps, low ESR. Even the ones on the rails are, I believe they're 100 volts. Rated for 100. I can't see the specs on them. It's on this side. I can't tell. Nope. It must be for e-bikes though, because they got little bicycles on them. The only thing I don't like about this controller is the voltage regulator side here. The problem with that, this is something that Gold Motor uses, and even if you go over volt, even a little bit on the regulator side, this transformer will burn out, or the transistor next to it will. So these are very sensitive to voltage spikes up or down. So if that goes, the whole controller is no good. The bottom, they used really flat gauge, and they have did up the traces pretty good. They're nice and chunky. You can take a few amps in there. Like, I think that's overkill for 33 amps. You can put 40 through this, no problem. So one thing we have to do is, before we even power it up, just test the FETs, make sure there's no dead short, so I don't damage my supply. So far we're looking good. We're good there. We're good there. That's 2 phases down. Last phase. Nothing here. Oh, wait, lost me. Duh. Okay, we're good. There's no bad phases here. So we can probably power it up, see if it works, and if it does, then we'll fix some of the wiring. Let's just terminate some of these wires. We don't want any of these wires touching together when we power it up. And we'll put the tester on it. Could always use a spare. And the story behind this is previous tenants left it sitting in a bag in the yard. I actually found it a couple of days ago. Cleaning up, I also found some remnants of a digital speed meter, but it was fried. All right, let's throw this on our power supply and see if it even turns on. Extra battery in line with the in series with my power supply, because that's only 50, so that makes it about 79 there. But it is working. The resistor and the voltage regulator get mildly warm, so that's good. I figured I was going to show you what a 2015 supply controller looks like, and this one actually is pretty good. So I'm just going to finish by rewiring it, and I'll have a nice little spare. Well, that's about it. I'm going to leave the Hall wires free. If I use this for repair, I'll just cut the old Hall connector off and solder and shrink wrap them onto this. But everything else is good. New negative lead, chopped it off there, and obviously you saw I put the new one on. And she's good to go. I'll just wipe it down and got myself a spare controller. Later, guys.